Transferring files from Android to PC used to be a nightmare until now. So most people still using slow Bluetooth or clunky cloud updates and cables, but there's a much faster way hidden right now on your phone. This is Google Quick Share. I'll show you the exact settings you need to make this work perfectly every single time. On your PC, you want to open your browser and then you want to search for Quick Share, and you see Quick Share was created by Google and Samsung, and it's a built-in file sharing tool. Now if you scroll down to the web section, you see the Android link. Click on this and this will take you to download Quick Share. So simply scroll down here and click on download Quick Share. This will start downloading the file to your device. Now once downloaded, you want to proceed to install the file on your device, and this will start downloading and installing on your PC. Now once installed on your PC, you can click on the arrow in this section and you'll now be able to access Quick Share. You'll also be able to search in the search section here for Quick Share anytime you want to access Quick Share. If you are brought to this page, you want to simply come to this section and click on everyone, and you want to change this to everyone. Simply select on this and then come to the settings gear icon here. You'll be able to change the device name and how it will appear for others to see. You'll also be able to see device visibility in this section. You want to make sure it's everyone. Here you'll be able to change the path in which the file is saved to your PC. By default, it will be saved to your download. You'll be able to choose run automatically as startup if you want it in this section. So those are all the settings you need on your PC. Now you can go back and it will bring you here. On your Android phone, you want to drag down from the notification and then scroll in this section till you find Quick Share. You should find Quick Share among the notification tiles. If you do not, you want to tap on the pencil icon at the bottom here and you'll be able to find other options here where you can find and select Quick Share. Now once you found Quick Share, you can long press on Quick Share and it will bring you here. So here you see your account details, but you need to make some changes here first. You see your account details here and you see device name. You can change the device name and how it will display for others to see. Then in the section where it says who can share with you, you can tap on this and then you want to turn on visible to nearby devices and select everyone. Now once that is done, you can proceed to send or receive. To send to your PC, you can tap on send in this section here. Here you want to select the files you want to send. I'm going to be sending a file of about 134 MB. You can also tap on the drop down to view the file. You can also tap on clear in this section. If you want to select multiple, you can select multiple items if you want in this section. They'll be added in this section. Now the next step, you need to make sure that both devices are on the same network. Once both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, you want to tap on turn on Bluetooth in this section. And it will find your PC and any other available connection. You'll also see the option to scan with QR code in this section, which they'll be able to scan QR code with their Quick Share. Now proceed to select your PC and this will send the request for accepting on your PC. Simply click on accept and the files will immediately start sending. Once sent successfully, you'll be able to view the files that were sent. Now to send files to your phone, you want to make sure that your phone is in the receiving end, and then you want to drag files or folder into this box. So you can simply drag a file or folder you want to send, and this will find your mobile device. You can tap on add if you want to add more files or folder here. Once you're ready to send, simply click on your device and this will also send a request for you to accept on your phone. Simply accept the connection and the file will be sent successfully. Be able to tap on view to view the files that were sent to you. That's how to share files between your Android phone and your PC with Quick Share. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.